pass away from there, you go back to where you came from.
Yeah, you go back to where you came from.
That is the central part of that country.
Yes.
So I have the Moses rod.
Okay, you have the rod.
Yeah.
So you're gonna go to the country.
Anaconda.
Is it that kind of rod that?
It's not chilling in here. Can I go out? Yeah, but you're chatting here. Hello, you put your mouth on your bed. I can make and say, I'm Igbo, you on your boo. Oh, Igbo, and Lam Igbo. And I was in a Bekai, I will play because. I was not making a land, the apple pie, because we were around the booty and what he gave so all I come.
Igbo, and
Nambu. Boy, you go on at a banja. You don't want to take care of Ebony Cabre de Pocos. You won't rot your chick when you do Tagati. I am not protected. Bread, you will break your name and I see dinner. Bread, you can have boss with him. Bread, I look at you behind.
that kind of bread. It's not like that kind of bread.
You can have the bread, you can go to
Shoot me! What's that?
Bread, where chin.
This is not
Yeah, chicken. You're going to get it for gala.
This is not
Magala, what
why you like this now? Chief people, it's me.
No, it is we. It is not just you, it's we. I mean, I'm as a wagon young one. Check out Christmas na December. And we broke out of okay with the hotel broke out of and then what it's up but talk to let us say, the only thing that made me realize that it's not the Obroko is you don't have the order of Obroko has a special order. Once you enter here, you will notice that there is Obroko in the
So that's the difference.
That's the difference. You smell nice. In fact, I was captivated by your odor. You have a body odor. Very good one. Your odor.
I will drop this microphone. I can't stand it anymore.
No, I'm praising you.
Is this what really happened to you when you were passing by? Yes.
Yeah, I said you have an odor.
I said a body odor.
Yeah, nice one. I like it. I'm not complaining. The odor can take me to
what's
the top heaven.
Fragrance? Is it onions?
I want to fried rice station. Okay, the fragrance.
The fragrance
of your odor.
Yeah.
She catch it. Even though to auto, this is the talk I want, this is that back. This is not back again, my God, but me this, you should know what I There were a lot of fish in you, so therefore, I didn't make the
rainbow smell.
Yeah, rainbow
smell.
Oh, Kachanjon, I cost work, and Kanjon, wish nation. Come back, I was just enjoying it. This is the hey, I'm going to be there. Who there? Yeah, they can say they're going to go Kanjo. Hey, it is hey,
I'm finished. Okay, what the same paste I'm gonna give you today.
Paste, that's all also we use on a paste. You're not mad not to buy now. You only want someone there or have put up number wash. Let them go by his natal from many neighbors still, but you did it. It's a dana, I'm on you. So you all know someone there. The same paste, it is in your nature. Like you have a natural fantonement. You are fantoned with this special, remarkable audacity odor that is specially made by God, not just a human.
Are you trying to say that it is divinely given?
Follow, come. Follow come na wishing them mad. Follow come not on our advantage but disadvantage. Ngam na elo ole mkube. I'm one of my man on garu bam trouble when on wishing you can't kill me. Oh no. In our family we have
let me wait. No, I'm not gonna believe you now saying that I have issue.
Okay, fine.
Maybe I need to go and hug somebody.
Hey, well, they have children at hand. They mustn't sleep with you before you get pregnant. They will just
let me hug you, then you hug them. Let's see if it is contagious or highly concentrated.
If you hug me, this is how you'll be walking in the next morning. So please, it's better you don't even think of coming close because nobody hugs me and remain the same.
Are you for real? Woo! So I'm going to be crippled now.
It's a cripple.